Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the guitar recognized as an input device. Plug the Xbox 360 guitar into the PC or adapter. Windows should install drivers. If not, install Microsoft 360 drivers or use Zadig. Once the OS acknowledges the device, open X360C or VJoy to emulate an Xbox controller. Configure basic axes and buttons now. This step is critical because Fortnite expects standard controller inputs. Doing this first saves time later when you map in-game controls. Once the emulator is running, map the guitar's fret buttons to controller face buttons and the strum bar to triggers or a digital axis. You want predictable, repeatable signals. Make sure left/right strum corresponds to actions like jump or fire. Pick what feels consistent. Save a profile with clear names so you can reload it quickly. Then use Windows game controllers and the emulator's test screen to calibrate dead zones and sensitivity. Ensuring clean input here avoids jitter or accidental movement in Fortnite. With mapping set, open Fortnite and switch to controller mode, then customize the control scheme so your mapped buttons trigger desired actions. Build, edit, jump, and aim. Test in creative mode to iterate sensitivity and rebind buttons until consistent. If inputs don't register, restart the emulator, reinstall drivers, and confirm no other controller software conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: unplug other controllers and use a powered USB hub or direct PC port. Many issues stem from insufficient power or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.